Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at whatever.com. Today, I'm going to make fish fry. This is Indian mackerel. What I did is I just put some gashes after cleaning it and I let it air a little bit. This becomes slightly dry, after which I'm going to make a nice, very simple masala. Mostly the Keralites make their fish fry, get some curry leaf and very finely chop so that this makes very tasty coating for the fish. Take the curry leaves. You all know the curry leaf flavor comes out, especially when it is fried in the oil. This is perfect. And you can also chopped coriander. I just want to make sure it is very finely chopped. Now take it into a plate. With this we are going to add ginger garlic paste, turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder. This is a fennel seed powder. Fennel seed gives that nice little bit of sweet aroma. For this recipe, I also love to use little bit of sambar powder. Some pepper powder will give nice aroma. Always to a fish, we add some lemon juice. I add little bit of all-purpose flour or whole wheat flour and mix all of these well and add salt. And now all I'm going to do is just put this masala over the fish, stuff little bit inside. In 15-20 minutes, some of the moisture from the fish comes out and that will help coat this fish properly. We're going to let this fish rest for like 15-20 minutes and then we're going to fry it. I have the fish pieces ready, so I'm just going to slide it into the oil. I would put the lid on. Of course, there is a small hole for the steam to escape. So let it fry on a slow flame for a few minutes. After around 4 minutes, we're going to turn the fish to the other side. Cover it again and let it cook for another few minutes. The fish is nicely fried. So I'm just going to drain out the extra oil easily. Just we're going to fry this fish for a few more minutes till it becomes nice and crispy on all the sides. This oil can be used again for making fish curries, especially the gravy items. Add some onions, sprinkle little bit of salt and a little bit of lemon juice. Cook the onions just for like 30 seconds. This is all ready to serve. Let the onions, the fish pieces, the rest of the masala on top of these onions. I hope you have enjoyed today's session of learning how to make this Aila fish fry and simple way, and it is one of the tastier dish. This is one of the fish that you have to eat it to the bone. So I'm not going to do that today in front of you, but this fish has single bone and easy to eat. Super tasty. Especially the little sambar masala will add wow factor to this fish. Look at how the meat comes off the bone. Keep eating, keep saying whatever.